Yeah, so good.
So we're out here at the High Water Festival, North Charleston Riverfront Park. Check this out.
Pit Master Cheez and the pit crew pull in, smoke up the block, roll out.
And it's a storm of flavor, huh?
Yes.
Come in, did this. How many people you feed today?
I don't know, we probably did 50, 60.
Oh man, and good eats too. We still got bacon going.
We did ribs, pulled pork, brisket. What else we
You
had?
did a burrito?
Oh yeah, mac and cheese burrito with pork and brisket. We just went crazy out here, man. So, and as always, it's a good time when I'm hanging out with Derek, the food boat.
Who's that, your buddy? Hey.
Woo, we're here. Beautiful Charleston, South Carolina.
Got a fish, huh? Got a couple fish? Oh, there we go. Everyone loves some flounder.
Do a clean on the boat real quick?
Oh yeah.
Right. Clean and flounder for me, I like to paint by numbers. You can follow this lateral line and you can literally follow that thing up and that's going to separate all of the goods. Just like this, we'll go straight down.
Thank you so much for singing along.
Hey, honey. It's a big old menhaden. Has a big menhaden in there. So look how big that is compared to that fish. Pretty cool.
It is.
Don't let anybody tell you that your bait's too big. But also something to keep in mind, elephants eat peanuts. So, kind of goes both ways someday.
I should be the light on my
Same thing here. These are the guts. Flounder. Yeah, and so with these guys, if you did a good job, you could usually kind of see through it. So I do want to get my hook back. Okay, that one goes to the crabs. Just kind of trim that off.
Thank you so much.
I've been wanting to do this all my life.
All your life. Where can I put these? Right over here? Oh, right here? Awesome.
You want some? Oh, yeah.
He says yeah.
Yeah! Watch it. All good, all good, all good.
Yeah, just come hang out.
What's going on? Can I get you guys some barbecue? That's what I'm talking about. Oh, I like what they say that.
She says it's so good.
That just blows my, y'all just don't know how big my egg is when they say it.
Are they missing? Are they missing out?
They're missing out. This shit's dang.
Are y'all cousins? The two of you?
Yeah.
You said Georgia, you didn't say Alabama.
Yeah, so good. And always, I'm Pitmaster Cheez. You can call me on all platforms at Pitmaster Cheez. That's C-H-E-E-Z. Hit me on the web. There it is. We got good flavor for you. www.pitmastercheese.com. It's been real, y'all. Appreciate y'all following. Keep liking, commenting, subscribing, man. And me and Derek, Food Boat, we got more coming, man.
More to come.